Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're going to be discussing ED visas. Those are education visas, equivalent to student visas for those who are going into the United States, except these are student visas for those who wish to attend some form of schooling or educational undertaking here in the Kingdom of Thailand. One can actually remain in the country for long periods of time in order to undertake courses of study. That being said, in the past, and even apparently now, ED visas are sometimes used by those who simply wish to be in the kingdom for whatever reason. In some cases, they're used sort of pretextually, I guess, by those who simply want to be in Thailand and don't really have another category into which they can fit. A recent article in the Chiang Rai Times, that's chiangraitimes.com, the article's title is Thailand's Immigration Police Crack Down on Foreigners Abusing Non-ED Visas. Quoting directly, tourist police and immigration are working closely with educational establishments to root out foreigners abusing study or quote-unquote non-ED visas. There is a cap on non-attendance of classes being made. If a person with a study visa is absent from a course more than 3 times and it is not explained, then that person will lose their student status and face expulsion from Thailand. In the latest crackdown, a joint operation with 191 Special Branch Immigration Police and several other agencies in Bangkok had resulted in arrests at 108 locations. 49 of these were at educational establishments and 51 at private homes. Again, that's Chiang Rai Times. The headline is Thailand's Immigration Police Crackdown on Foreigners Abusing Non-ED Visas. I strongly urge viewers to go check this out. My comment on this is it's basically one more sort of vignette in an overarching theme, which is Thai authorities are very serious about cracking down on immigration violators. They, in fact, I think they sort of view it as one way of predicting people that could become criminal because they're unwilling to operate within the parameters of the immigration code. It's sort of almost kind of a gateway criminal thinking mentality. Well, if you're okay with violating one aspect of the law, maybe you'll probably be more comfortable violating another aspect of the law. I don't know if that's the right way of thinking, but immigration officers have been increasingly strident in their enforcement practices. They've been stringent in their application of the rules. I don't see this becoming any more lax anytime soon. But what I found was rather interesting is there were 108 locations that were targeted in some of the recent raids and crackdowns. And 59, if I recall correctly from the article, were educational institutions. So it's clear immigration authorities are coming to sort of narrow their focus upon educational institutions as essentially facilitators or the hubs of various forms of basically circumvention of the immigration laws. So the thing to take away from that, I think, is most notably, I think that just moving forward, there's going to be serious attendance requirements associated with non-ED education visas. And when they say non-ED, they mean non-immigrant education visas. I think you're going to see that moving forward. Just if you've got an ED visa, you're going to have to show up to whatever schooling you've undertaken fairly frequently, or you're going to find yourself not having that ED visa much longer. And as noted in prior videos, the immigration apparatus here in Thailand does not look intent on backing off on any of this. If anything, I think their efforts are going to be stepped up as things move forward.